Gas ranges in 2024 are all about enhancing cooking experiences, making meal preparation more convenient and enjoyable. Envision crafting your favorite dishes on a stove that transcends conventional expectations of flames and knobs. The premier models now integrate cutting-edge smart technology, enabling seamless control via your smartphone or timely notifications for oven checks. Additionally, they excel in rapid heating and precise temperature management, ensuring effortless transitions from quick boils to gentle simmers. Now, the question arises, will you embrace the futuristic allure of smart features or remain loyal to the simplicity and reliability of traditional models? Ensure to explore our recommended links for optimal results. With that said, let's delve into the top gas ranges available in 2024. Number 5. Samsung NX60, a 6511 SS. Top pick for effortless maintenance. The Samsung NX60, a 6511 SS gas range, is a game-changer for those who dislike kitchen cleanup. This standout appliance excels in easy maintenance without compromising on performance. Here's why it's a favorite among neat chefs everywhere. Firstly, the 5 sealed burners are a revelation. Bid farewell to scrubbing unreachable spots, as these burners prevent spills from seeping beneath the cooktop, simplifying cleanup and streamlining your post-dinner routine. Moreover, the seamless grates facilitate effortless movement of pots and pans across the surface, enhancing cooking ease. And here's the exciting part. It includes an air fry feature. Who can resist crispy fries without the mess of oil splatter? Yes, please. Just bear in mind, you'll need to acquire the air fry tray separately, but it's a worthwhile investment for healthier, mess-free snacks. The self-cleaning function is another godsend, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing by heating up to convert grease and food remnants into easily wipeable ash. Additionally, with convection cooking, your meals are not only prepared faster and more uniformly, but it also means less time spent in the kitchen, allowing you to savor delicious meals with minimal effort. Thumbs up indeed. Number 4. Frigidaire Professional Series PCFG 3078 AF Outstanding Value Gas Range. The Frigidaire Professional Series PCFG 3078 AF is set to become your kitchen's indispensable companion in 2024, offering exceptional value for money. Here's the scoop. This model boasts a generously sized oven, 5.6 cubic feet to be precise. This allows you to bake multiple items simultaneously, ensuring uniformly cooked results thanks to advanced convection technology. Essentially, hot air circulates to ensure perfect baking every time. On top of that, there are 5 burners catering to everything from rapid boiling to gentle simmering. The standout feature is the 18,000 BTU burner, swiftly bringing water to a boil, along with a specialized oval burner ideal for a griddle, perfect for whipping up pancakes. Wouldn't you agree? Furthermore, the convenient storage drawer beneath the oven is ideal for stashing away pots and pans. Moreover, the comprehensive grate system on top facilitates effortless movement of heavy pots without straining your back. But hold on, there's more. It also includes an air fry function. Indulge in crispy delights without cluttering your counter with additional gadgets. It even comes with a dedicated tray to get you started. Need to bake in a hurry? The quick preheat function ensures rapid heating. And when it's time to clean up, the steam cleaning feature makes the task a breeze. Additionally, it comes with a griddle pan, allowing you to whip up a hearty breakfast with ease. And let's not forget the handy probe that alerts you when your food is perfectly cooked. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056 UC. Highly adaptable gas range. The Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056 UC embodies the dependable ally in your culinary space, intuitively catering to your needs. It stands out as the most adaptable gas range of 2024, offering superior cooking performance without unnecessary complexity. This range prioritizes functionality. Its convection technology ensures consistent and flavorful results by evenly circulating hot air throughout the oven, expediting the cooking process. Equipped with 5 sealed burners, cleanup becomes effortless, as there are no crevices for food spills to seep into. Intuitive touch controls streamline oven adjustments, akin to navigating your smartphone. The design exudes sophistication with its sleek and unobtrusive profile, seamlessly integrating into your kitchen environment. However, practicality takes precedence over aesthetics. Boasting 9 specialized cooking modes, achieving precise settings for baking pies or broiling fish is effortless. The robust cast iron grates facilitate easy movement of cookware, while the continuous design ensures seamless transitions. Additionally, features such as proof mode for bread baking, Sabbath mode for observant users, and a kitchen timer enhance functionality, earning this range a resounding approval. Number 2. Cafe Professional Series CG 366 P4 TWW2 Supreme Gas Range of Exceptional Quality. The Cafe Professional Series CG 366 P4 TWW2 emerges as the epitome of excellence among kitchen ranges in 2024. This powerhouse is equipped with 6 burners, each poised to handle a diverse range of culinary tasks, from gently simmering sauces to achieving a perfect sear on steaks. Representing a fusion of professional-grade performance and contemporary design, this oven boasts a capacious 6.2 cubic feet interior, accommodating large cookware effortlessly. Whether preparing a meal for 2 or hosting a lavish gathering, this oven delivers unparalleled versatility, thanks to its intelligent heating and baking modes. Additionally, a dedicated temperature probe ensures precise cooking results, guaranteeing flawlessly cooked roasts every time. Elevating convenience to new heights, this range is equipped with smart features. Wi-Fi connectivity enables remote oven control via the Smart HQ app, allowing preheating on the commute home. The sleek LCD control panel not only enhances aesthetics, but also offers clear visibility of oven parameters, from temperatures to cooking durations. With an innovative burner design that ensures even heat distribution, inconsistencies in cooking are a thing of the past. Furthermore, dual griddle burners cater to pancake flipping or sandwich grilling cravings, while powerful boil burners expedite water heating. For those seeking the pinnacle of culinary innovation, the Cafe Professional Series CG 366P4 TWW2 stands as an unrivaled choice. Number 1. LG LRGL 5825F Top Gas Range Choice. The LG LRGL 5825F reigns supreme as the pinnacle of gas ranges in 2024. And here's why. It's a complete game changer in the culinary arena. Firstly, featuring 5 sealed burners with a range of 5,000 to 20,000 BTUs, this appliance caters to every cooking need, from gentle simmering to intense searing. Moreover, the seamless continuous cast iron grates facilitate effortless maneuvering of heavy cookware, akin to gliding on ice. Now, let's discuss oven capacity. With a spacious 5.8 cubic foot interior, cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, hosting large family gatherings, or engaging in weekly meal prepping is a breeze. Additionally, the integrated air fry function with true convection ensures crispy delights without monopolizing countertop space or drenching food in oil. Cleaning is typically a tedious task, but not with this LG marvel. Easy Clean swiftly restores oven brilliance in just 10 minutes for minor spills, while a self-clean option tackles stubborn stains with ease. Furthermore, the print-proof finish on the exterior repels fingerprints and smudges effortlessly. Yet the piece de resistance is the InstaView window. A simple double knock grants a peek inside without compromising heat retention. Coupled with the expansive wide-view window, it offers the ultimate vantage point for witnessing culinary creations come to fruition. From a control standpoint, the sleek and responsive smooth-touch glass controls elevate user experience. For tech enthusiasts, this range boasts Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with the LG Think app, facilitating remote oven operation, monitoring meals from afar, and accessing a plethora of inspiring recipes. With additional features like ultra heat and superboil burners for rapid heat generation, the LG LRG L5825F transcends being a mere gas range. It emerges as the focal point of a contemporary, efficient, and enjoyable kitchen environment. For individuals seeking to elevate their culinary prowess in 2024, this LG masterpiece is the ultimate choice. That concludes our roundup of the finest gas ranges. We're curious, do you prioritize having a double range or the innovative smart features found in models like the LG LRG L5825F? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.